guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am doing a pin curl wand curl tutorial, and I'm currently putting on some lip gloss from the doll on Heels Beauty. Go find my Instagram, my Facebook, and shop with me. So right now I am sectioning off my hair and clipping up the rest of it. I know it looks crazy, but that's how I keep it out my face. So I typically take the wand curler and set it in a direction I want the curls to go. And this style is a side part, so I'm curling my hair really away from my face so that it can fall the way that I want it to. And so I just roll it up and I keep the hair really flat so I can have that curl, like a more of a Shirley Temple curl, not like a wave curl. Now hold it for a little while, and whoop. There it is. There go the curl right there. And so I typically do this all over my head. But when I get to the other side, I'm going to also curl it in a different direction, which we'll get to that whenever we can. But I'm curling the hair again, wrapping it from the bottom and rolling it up. And you have to be careful because you can burn yourself like this. And so here I am again, holding it. And y'all, please excuse my room in the background. I don't know why I didn't clean up before I filmed this, but this is a last minute video. And see, look at those two curls and how they're curled away from my face. So now we're going to get to the pin curling part of it. I roll the curls together because I might not have that many pins. And I get the curl from the bottom and roll it all the way to the top. And I have to play around with this a couple of times because sometimes the curls be falling and all this kind of stuff. And I do recommend using like a flat bobby pin because it's easier to stick in your weave. And you just really pin it up. See, I already had some curls pinned up previously. So that's how that goes. And you can see that I'm trying my hardest not to make sure those curls fall. But pin curling is so hard on weave sometimes. I ain't even care. And so, yeah, now you can just watch me curl my hair.
You mean to me? Whoever thought that they would have so much to say? We'll go on anyway. It's alright, it's okay. Take whatever comes our way. Together we will stay. I got 3 words to say. Never say never. I can't believe they stop our happiness, but trying to pull us down with such mess. Why can't they let us live just like the rest and keep us out of all this crazy madness? Now when they talk, I think it's just a shame that all they do is sit and think my name, when all that I do is mainly sit and think about my baby and me. And baby, they can't believe that you and me are together. That's why they should have never said never. Yeah, there were times when we
and as you can see, the closer I get to the top where the bang is typically at, I also curl it away from my face because I want it to have like that feather look. So you will see me, curl away, pin it up away from my face. You'll see. Just keep watching.
Or they hate me. I guess they all have their own PhD. I wish that they would just stop sweating me. Stop trying to get the best of me. No matter what they say, baby, gotta move.
And with pin curls, you typically will have curls that's going to fall down. And sometimes you just have to play around with it and basically get it pinned up. But the best thing that I like to do is hurry up and throw my bonnet on, tie it down so that they won't have no reason to fall. So that's what I'm doing right now, currently, is trying to fix those pins that fell. And here I am showing you the finished product of how my hair looks all the way around. So yeah, that's it. And now I'm showing you all how I tie my hair down. And I just put a regular scarf on and try to tie it down the best way I can. Something that's going to hold it down, because my bonnet has a habit of just being on the side of my pillow at night. And I don't like that, because that means my curls would be... I would have curls and pins all over the place, and I would not like that. So I am tying my hair down. And then I'm going to put my bonnet on. And boom, we're going to call it a night. And I will insert what it's like, what my curls came out to look like the next day.
Never say, never say, never say.